with the Law New. Of course, they didn't go anywhere over the weekend, so they're back here in our chairs. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, good to see you made it through the weekend.
Well, we got to get a new hotline phone. The one that the station gave us is a rotary, so it's a little, it's a little bit outdated.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with retro.
No, we like it.
It is time for our question, and this one involves some DUI charges, and we're talking about Becky in Wilkes-Barre here. She says, I just received DUI charges in the mail. I was driving home over the holidays and got pulled over. I refused the blood test, so I didn't think I was going to be charged. This is my first offense, and I don't know if I need a lawyer. What should Becky in Wilkes-Barre do?
Becky, you definitely need a lawyer. I mean, first of all, it was your first offense. You shouldn't have refused the blood test. Because you refused the blood test, I believe that the way, the law now, it's one, you're going to lose your license for a year. You got a lot of issues here that you're going to need to talk to a lawyer about, because I don't even know, typically with a DUI, your first offense, you're eligible for ARD, but because you refused the blood test, I don't even know if you're going to be eligible for ARD now. So you really don't wait on this. Pick up the phone, call a lawyer that does, specializes in criminal law and DUI law, because this is, you got a lot of issues going on here, and these could chase you around for a long time. Yeah,
the refusal I don't think is going to knock you out of the ARD program. Obviously, you pay the administrative fine, which is basically you lose your license for a year, and you should be able to proceed to the ARD program, assuming there are no, other facts that you didn't tell us about. But Ed's right. In this situation, clearly it's better to have a lawyer to represent you, because, again, I don't know enough about it, but sometimes when people refuse a DUI case, it's a tougher case for the prosecution to prove, because they don't have the irrefutable scientific evidence, which is the blood alcohol. So if that's the case and you want to take it to trial, you need a lawyer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, our viewers who may find themselves in a situation like this and need some advice or a referral from you guys, how can they do that?
Yeah, they could call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Yeah, and DUI law is not something that we, especially this type. We'll get you to a good person that could specifically handle these types of cases for you.
A lot of good guys out there.
Yeah, there's a lot of great guys that literally specialize in doing
and
women that specialize in doing DUI law. So.
Yeah. Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
Yep, okay. You got it.
PAHomepage.com or the Law New Hotline. Ways to get a question answered here on the show.